this is Esther Alpem-Aluwich again. Today I would like to teach you all of the notes on the keyboard. If you have an 88 key keyboard, you will be able to play all of the notes that are on a piano. Open your books to page 16 and look at exercise 5. Also notice at the top of that page, it shows the name of every single note on an 88 key keyboard. For this exercise, we're going to start with the left hand, and we're going to use the third finger, that is your middle finger, and we're going to play with the left hand all the way up until the C that is in the middle. At that point, we'll transfer to using the right hand, and we will also use the third finger. Just play each note with the same finger. So the very bottom of the keyboard starts with A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 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 A, B, C. Off. Be sure as you play this exercise that you say the names of the notes just as I did. I would like to also look at exercise 6. The way we can find each note individually is by looking at the pattern of the black and white keys. On an 88 key keyboard, the very bottom note is A, but the way to find C is by locating the two black keys. So next to every two black key group, to the left, you will find C. So now I would like you to find all of the C's. C, 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 C. To the left of all of the three black keys, you will find F. Now I would like you to find all of the F's. F, 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 F. You can do the same thing for all of the other notes, although it's not as easy of a method to figure it out. In between the three black keys, you'll find A at this location. Of course, we know the first note on the keyboard is A. A, 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 A. And then B is to the right of all of the three black keys. B, 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 B. We already did C. D is in between the two black keys. D, 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 D. E is to the right of all of the two black keys. Play all E's. E, 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 E. And we already did F. And last one is G. So G is in between the three black keys, in between the first two. G, 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 G. That concludes exercise 5 and 6 of Worship Now.